Hey there friend, how you doing today? Wondered if you'd like to come out and play. You're my best friend in the whole wide world. Being with you is better than being with squirrels. Having a friend like you is my good luck. I rank you right up there with my pickup truck. You're honest and kind and always tell the truth. And I value you more than I value my tooth. Now let's keep being friends and never stop. We'll always stick together like two hogs in slop. But I'm getting kinda tired and the song's at an end. I sure am right proud that you and me's friends. Thanks for being my friend.